Habayekran bagi nong patai kubor I Dr. Ampareen lengdo ilong bagamat kebedai bat jingiakren esok bat keseng HNLC kadai kabahap opok jinggakmi jong sembut menteri rang ba Jylla bakmi ya ketenat korbar ri Jylla. Nrai menta umlaj bancim kiamardor halor kene kamat kabakongsan. Nrai keseng NPP ke iengskhem kanong rem ban ajingmut ela ke Sorkar ban ya cekmat bat jingiakren esok. Ilong bagi ladon ki jingbom hun bat jingbom sengutu jingmut bat kini baro don kam bat pensisha bat on up ya menteri korbari ke Jylla on wan pain ocean jaka trekam kenang ban la ban ai ke jingbatai ke babnia. I Dr. Ampareen lengdo ila pentikna bakum kaseng bat kum ke Sorkar ke iengskhem ban penya cakamat ke jingiakren esok bat ka kenhun keng atiar HNLC ke bala shakhmat bian. Bat ki kwa bani I baka de bandon ke jingas ho jingmut lang da ke benta ke jingiakren esok ka ban ne serta.
I believe there was a press release of some sort. This matter is to be handled by the Honorable Home Minister, who is also the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of the state, who is at the moment indisposed and unable to attend to this important matter. However, having said that and put that in perspective, the NPP remains dedicated to advise its government to go ahead with this very crucial peace talk. We understand that there have been certain displeasures and misunderstanding which all yet have to be verified, and we will wait for the Honorable Home Minister to return to office very shortly, and he will surely be able to give you better insight. But I assure you that we as a party and we as a government are committed towards the progression of peace talks with this particular band outfit, and we would like to see that there should be an amicable understanding for long-term peace talks. I will not be able to disclose much on this matter because I'm yet to be advised accordingly. However, at this point of time, this should be sufficient to explain the stand of the supporters of the NPP on the one side and the government of the MDA 2.0 in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister.